Restricted squatting? In this video, I'll show you 4 exercises and 2 therapy techniques to improve your squats. When I say squatting, I don't mean just this. I'm referring to the basic body function we rely on when we sit down. Pick things up. And, okay, you get the idea. Restricted squatting not only increases the risk of injury during physical activities, but also leads to muscle decline, joint damage, a decreased ability to live independently, and a higher risk of falls, which are the leading cause of injury-related deaths among people aged 65 and older in the US. Many factors affect squatting. Besides the major muscles and joints, the supporting muscles are just as important. Some of them are crucial for stabilizing the foot and ankle during squatting and providing necessary flexibility. The following exercises will target these muscles, helping you squat better and more safely, and addressing issues like bunions, cold feet, and bent knees when wearing high heels. The first exercise is the Sidestep Shuffle. This move helps build support on the inner or medial side of your foot, stops your big toe from turning inward during squats, and prevents ankle sprains. To begin, stand with your feet wide apart, knees slightly bent, the inner sides of your feet touching the floor, the outer sides lifted, big toes lifted and extended, hips pushed forward, and arms bent and at your sides. This is your starting position, and it should look like this. Now, move your legs alternately and walk forward in a straight line. As you go, try to keep the distance between your feet consistent. Keep your knees steady and feel the support from a single foot. Throughout the exercise, keep your body upright with your head and chest lifted. Don't let its strange look fool you. This exercise targets foot angles we rarely use in daily life, boosting your overall foot health. Avoid these common mistakes. First, don't overbend your knees or let your feet get closer together as you move. Second, keep your knees stable and don't let the outer sides of your feet touch the floor. Third, keep your body upright and don't stick your hips out backward. Do this exercise twice a week. Beginners should walk 3 meters each time, and experienced individuals may walk 6 meters. If you have any ankle, knee, or hip pain, consult a professional before starting. Listen to your body and avoid undertraining or overtraining. Creating videos takes a lot of effort. Please like and share. Your support means the world to us. The second exercise is called the toe flick. This exercise aims to enable you to flatten your feet and spread your toes, boosting their activeness and flexibility. To begin, sit on the floor with your knees bent and hands on the floor for support. When ready, keep one heel on the floor, lift the forefoot, and curl your toes. Spread your toes as you place them down on the floor. Repeat this motion. When touching the floor, spread out the toes, and when retracting, quickly grasp back. Try to feel the flexibility and speediness of your toes. Remember, your foot should touch the floor, not slap it. It's normal if you find this movement challenging at first. When your toes feel stiff, take a quick break and then resume. Practice this exercise 3 to 4 times a week for 2 minutes per set. Beginners can start with one foot or both feet, while those more experienced can try it to the rhythm of music. Stop if you have ankle swelling. The third exercise is the dorsum press. This move fully extends the tarsal surface of the foot and improves ankle flexibility. If the arch isn't fully extended, your ankle will be restricted when squatting, and your knees won't straighten when walking in high heels. This exercise can help address these issues. To begin, use a support and stand with your left foot facing forward. Place your right foot on top of your left dorsum, with the sole facing the opposite wall. This is your starting position. Then, slightly bend your left knee and press your left shin toward your right dorsum, opening up the arch. Pause for 3 to 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Keep your torso upright with your head and chest lifted. Press down while inhaling, feeling the extension of the tarsal surface, and keep your weight on the right dorsum. The correct form looks like this. Repeat 10 times on one side, then switch sides. Do not let the inner side of your ankle loosen up during the movement. Rather, keep it extended at all times. You can train twice a week, 10 reps per foot for beginners, 30 reps for those with experience. Listen to your body and avoid undertraining or overtraining. Stop if you have ankle inflammation. If this exercise is too challenging, you may start with the toe curl exercise from our previous video and progress to this one as you improve. Click the link on the screen to watch. Finally, we recommend adding a ballet move called the sauté. It looks like this. This move can effectively connect the target muscles in this video and the lower limbs, achieving their full extension. Use it as a supplementary exercise to the other 4. Do this twice a week after the other exercises. Stop if you have ankle, waist, or knee injury. The target muscles are small and cover multiple bones and can be difficult to feel and activate. If your feet have become atrophied or stiff, it indicates these muscles are problematic and their functions are restricted. But no worries, we're providing a set of muscle therapy techniques specifically designed to address these issues. The first technique targets the abductor hallucis muscle, which runs from the inner side of the heel to the base of the big toe. Using the pads of both thumbs, gently press on the muscle's origin here. Slowly press down, then push up. Let's take a closer look. Repeat this motion along the entire muscle to activate it. If you feel any nodules, treat them a few more times, but be careful not to overdo it. Remember to push the muscle, not to poke it, and avoid using your fingertips or hard object. The second technique targets the extensor hallucis brevis and extensor digitorum brevis muscles. They are located here, running across the top of the foot and extending to the big toe and the second to fourth toes. Place the 4 fingers of both hands along the line of the fourth toe, leaving out the fifth toe. Then, press and pull towards the inner side of the foot in a sequence to relax the muscles. Let's take a closer look. These exercises complement the training for the first layer of foot muscles and can be practiced together. Click here to watch the first layer training video. To learn more about the targeted muscles and how they affect your health, please watch the second part of this episode here. If you find our video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.